So welcome back, guys and girls, to the city of Travnik in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So I'm going to Travnik there. Right, go for a walk in the town, eh? Well, it's quite a big town. We'll go up the other end. Might stop and get a coffee on the way. And up the other end's the old town, I believe. Cheesecake and coffee. I thought that was a real guy earlier on. So this is coming into the old centre. So I'm going to a restaurant that was recommended called Kod Sedji, and to try, let me see if I can get a picture, it's called a burek, and that's it there. Here it is, Kod Sedji. I walked past it, but my maps wanders. He's closed. I was told he closes at 7 PM, but he closes at 6. I'm about to set off for Sarajevo, so I'm quite excited. Been wanting to go to Sarajevo for years. When I came through this part of the world back in 2015, I was nearly going to detour to Sarajevo, but I was later in the season and it was too cold. And so I flagged it, and I didn't have a lot of time either. So I'm going to make my way to Sarajevo. It's only about an hour and a half. I did see on Google Maps there's some flood warnings along the route, so we'll see what's happening there. And but yeah, no rush. It's 10 AM, can't book until 3 PM, so I've got loads of time. But yeah, should be a good day. It's a bit foggy. So welcome to Sarajevo, and it's due to rain in about an hour. Got my bike parked there, but I'm early, still a couple of hours before I can book in. I've just messaged them to see if they want to meet earlier, but I'll go find a cafe. And this is where I'm staying. Correct view. But yeah, and find an ATM. Yeah, it's all cash on booking.com in Bosnia because they don't have an agreement with booking.com, so it's all cash. So I need to get some cash out. Nice bakery there, but no seating. So this is all 100 metres or so from where I'm staying, so that's all right. And we've got all this. So we'll go find an ATM. There's quite a few down this way somewhere. So normal fees are 12 Bosnian BAM or whatever currency is, but Sparkaz, I read online, is only 10. But online is wrong as usual, that was 12 as well. Seems to be the standard. So I've got 1,000 out, which is about 500 euros. Since everything uses cash here. So I won't be using my card for purchases. Yeah, and that's how you can keep your bank charges down by withdrawing maximum amount, because it's 12 Bosnian BAM currency per withdrawal. So you don't want to be getting 200 out every day. You want to get a lump sum. So good to see a game of chess going on outside. So this is my apartment in Sarajevo for the next 7 days. It's quite a nice little apartment. But yes, €22 a night. So yeah, I could have got a dorm room for about €11 a night, but it's my birthday coming up, so I thought I'd have my own room for a week here. But look at this, got a little enclosed balcony. And this is Sarajevo.